guys, RedPandaMining here, back with another video. Hope you're all having a good night. Guys, I just wanted to touch on some few things about Ethereum Classic and possibly getting back 100k USD of ETC back from the 51%. And yeah, I just want to talk about it. It's kind of interesting. But first, I wanted to start with the market cap. I haven't done one of these for a while, so as you can see, a good day to cover is that the market did go up, but I know that the past few days, it's been going down. So we're technically still down. So really, it may look like it's up, but it's not, guys. It's definitely not. Okay. Anyways, let's get into it. The Ethereum Classic Network hash rate chart. All right. So yesterday, on January 13th, I believe this is around what time is this? 8 o'clock Mountain Time. So you can see that the terahash for Ethereum Classic went up to 12.6 in a matter of 12 hours. It could have just been this rising. Yeah, they're just turning on all the rigs one at a time or something, or in a batch. But from 8.8 or 8.5 terahash to 12.8 terahash. That's a huge jump. Some were saying it was another 51% attack, or it could have been nice hash, people buying the contracts or whatever. I'm not sure, but wanted to go through this. So Slow Mist, this is on the Ethereum Classic Twitter. They retweeted this guy. Not sure if it's true or not, but according to Gate.io, the attacker of ETC 51% attack has returned ETC worth $100,000. Thanks to the ETC community efforts over the past week, this is a perfect ending. So here's the article, which I got here. No, here. This is on the Gate.io website. These guys look like a cryptocurrency exchange. Yeah, definitely. They announced 2 days ago, on January 12th, Gate.io got back 100k USD value of ETC from the ETC 51% attacker. On January 10th, we found that the recent ETC 51% attacker returned 100k. I'm just like repeating myself. I'm sorry, guys. We were trying to contact the attacker, but we have not got any reply until now. We still don't know the reason. If the attacker didn't run it for profit, he might have been a white hat hacker, I'm assuming, who wanted to remind people the risks in blockchain consensus and the hashing power security. Based on our analysis, the hashing power of ETC is still not strong enough, and it's still possible to rent enough hashing power to launch another 51% attack, which I believe happened here, not yesterday. Gate.io has raised ETC confirmation number to 4,000 and launched a strict 51% detect for enhanced protection. We also suggest other ETC exchanges to take action to protect the trader from blockchain rollback/reorg. Gate.io will keep transparency and provide the best services to all traders, referring to Gate.io friends, yada yada yada. Okay, so this is the first time I heard of Gate.io. Who knows? This could be like a conspiracy. They're just writing this like, oh, maybe it was Gate.io that did the hacking, and like, you know, they did the transfer of ETC back to themselves or some shit. I don't know. Who knows, right? We don't know that. CoinDesk did report on it. Exchange says 51% attacker returned 100k worth of Ethereum Classic. So let me see if there's anything in here. Another crypto exchange. Okay, BitTrue also confirmed it was affected by a 51% attack. According to its official Twitter account, the attacker tried to withdraw 13,000 ETC, but had been stopped by its system. China-based security firm Slow Mist first detected the 51% attack and detailed the event in a blog post on Wednesdays last week. It was willing to work with Gate.io, BitTrue, and Binance in order to locate the attacker. Okay. So it wasn't just Gate. It was also BitTrue, and Binance was helping out. Interesting. Okay, still more Ethereum Classic news. Guys, I've mined Ethereum Classic for like a long time, here and there. Like I have like a sizable holding, so like as you can see, like I know it's been dropping in ranks and stuff, and it's going down in price. It's crazy that it's at 469 million market cap right now, number 18, $4.37 for one. I mean, it's no surprise. I mean, everything is down really. Litecoin got a nice jump today, 10%. But with Ethereum Classic, there's still development teams, right? There's still development on it, right? So it's still interesting that there's still people willing to work on it, and that, you know, like other coins, you know, aka like Ethereum has like a much huger following development team, you know. Oh, by the way, guys, yeah, Ethereum will have their hard fork in about 2 days, January 16th. So keep watch on that. I'll probably make a video about it tomorrow. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, but yeah. Introducing ETC Labs Core and ETC Core Development Team. So today just announced that ETC Labs Core, the ETC Labs Core is a new core development team at ETC Labs. So the team will be focused on core Ethereum Classic projects, supporting the ETC blockchain, providing tooling for decentralized application development, mining, and services. Okay, that's cool. In pursuit of our mission, we value state immutability, decentralization, I can't talk today, and backward compatibility. The core development team consists of skilled, passionate developers, but not limited to Constantine. Okay, I'm not gonna name all their names, but yeah, they're there. They have a project plan here. Q1 ETH compatibility, interesting. Classic Geth, multi-Geth. Q3 compatibility, EC IP 105 1045. The team will review ETH's Continental fork prior to finalizing, which will propose the subject of Byzantine and Constantinople upgrades. Okay, so wow, that's cool. They'll be using those, possibly using those upgrades on ETC as well. But yeah, that's cool, guys. So as you can see, there's still development on ETC, and it's quite a coin that still a lot of people support. So I have a few rigs on ETC at the moment, mainly my AMD rigs. So yeah, I'm mining about one Ethereum Classic a day. It's not too bad, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. To end off, guys, the last article, Bitmain struggle is real, but analyst says crypto miners are fine. This is on newsbtc.com. Just into the past 2 months, Bitmain has fired more than half of its staff, has closed the entire office, shuffled top management, removed the top chief operations officers, all that kind of stuff. I mean, this is just normal, guys. I mean, yeah, the crypto market has dropped like an insane amount, you know, as you can tell, from all-time high. Man, look at that, it's way back down. I just want you guys to know, I stopped mining around back in 2014, when Bitcoin was around 200 bucks, 287 bucks, around here. March 17th, 2015. I stopped right here. I was like, wow, screw this. You know how this whole market just went to shit right then there, for the next couple of years. And then look at this. Look at this. So I feel like, yeah, we're gonna get maybe, this is my opinion. This is not financial advice, guys. This is just my opinion. I'm not gonna stop mining this time. I'm gonna keep going. And, you know, it's maybe going to keep going down, level off a bit, go back up, all that kind of stuff. And then, man, who knows, 2020, 2022, are we going to get something over here, you know? Like a bigger graph? Like, are we going to look back in 5 years, couple of years, and be like, guys, I mean, if you guys are mining and paying out of your pocket the electricity, and you're okay to do that, it's good on you. Like, I'm doing that, and I'm keeping all the profits. But if you're hard on cash and you can't live or survive, all that kind of stuff, I wouldn't advise to do that. Like, I would first, you know, get your life together and just save and stuff, right? I don't want you to like live on the street or something, just paying for your electricity. But anyways, I can't tell you guys what to do with your money, but that's just my plan, and I'm sticking to it. I missed the hump back before, and I'm not gonna miss this again. I did sell some profits up here, so it's not like I didn't keep everything and didn't sell along down here. But yeah, guys. So yeah, Bitmain struggle. It's no doubt, you know, they had a couple thousand employees. That's pretty much it, guys. Okay, yeah, that's all I want to talk about, guys. Yeah, to end off, check out my twitch.tv/RedPandaMining, guys. I'm planning to do some gaming streams here, maybe streaming with other streamers, other crypto streamers and such. And join my Discord, guys. Join my Discord, and I will, where's my Discord button? It's not on my Twitch channel yet, but I will. Yeah, put in your stream ID in there if you guys want to play, Steam ID. We can play some PUBG or whatever Steam games you guys want to play. Let me know. I gotta utilize my new computer. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.